Accused of being a pro-separatist chief minister, the Jammu and Kashmir chief minister has now finally cracked the whip on India haters. The Mufti government has put separatists under house arrest to stop them from going ahead with their anti-India rally that was scheduled to take place in the valley today.
It was meant to be a show of solidarity by the anti-India forces. But from the looks of it, the planned joint march by separatists in Jammu and Kashmir is set to be a non-starter.
I am right now outside the residence of Shabir Ahmed Shah here in the civil lines area, and as you could be seeing, there is a police contingent, at least 4 to 5 policemen who are here, some inside, some outside, and they are keeping him under house arrest. This is a scene outside most of the separatist residences. In fact, Mirwais Umar Farooq, Yasin Malik, Shabir Ahmed Shah, Saeed Ali Shah Gilani, Ashraf Sehrai, all of them have been kept under house arrest.
In a change from its earlier stand of soft approach towards separatists, Mufti government has decided to put top anti-India voices under house arrest and making it clear that no marches will be allowed.
Most of the separatists are under house arrest, and in fact there are reports that on the day the government is planning to impose restrictions in some parts of the old part of Srinagar city. The separatists had planned this massive unity rally on the Martyrs' Day, that's the July 13th.
No, I don't want to get engaged in this kind of a debate publicly, but we have full confidence in the state government, its leadership and its capability to handle any kind of situation.
The decision was taken at a high-level meet of the state government, which was attended by top honchos of the intelligence and security agencies.
According to sources in the security establishment, they of course have told the government to allow them to impose restrictions and of course to put most of the separatists under house arrest, because if that is not done, that could lead to serious law and order issues on the day. Mir Farid, Srinagar, Times Now.